Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token big price prediction as well as some of the big announcements that we actually got. So in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu army price action and what will happen to the price in the future. I know that everybody is excited and kind of waiting for that rebound and waiting for forming of that support line. Since you can see from the 1 month chart, we started at the August of 63, we went up all the way to the 94, we got rejected, went down, and this is just a market manipulation by the whales, but definitely things are going to change very soon. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, make sure to watch this video till the end, and also if you're a member of a crypto community, please smash that subscribe button. Let's go to that 4K subs, and I'm posting daily news about your favorite tokens, so you don't want to miss out anything new. And with that said, smash that subscribe button and let's start with the video. So first off, Shiba token. The Shiba team develops 3 tokens: SHIB, Leash and Bone. These 3 are the base for our ecosystem and plans, and that's the truth. Shiba Inu token is basically all connected with the Leash and Bone, and they are planning to improve it. So they actually said that, but an ecosystem also needs a variety. We welcome projects interested in listing with us. Liquidity providers of movable tokens can receive Bone and more. And you can see right here that people are actually kind of speculating what could next project be, and we all bought Shiba like idiots. Now they're messing with our heads with the variety of chips. Burn for SHIB, for God's sake, that's what we all signed up. And some people are actually that thinking, and this is kind of true. I have to admit, some people are very, I would say, looking forward to see the burns, looking forward to make the price go up, but definitely this is a long-term project, guys, and you need to wait. You need to buy SHIB when it's low and wait for them when it's high. Also, if you go to the 3-month chart, you can see right here that we actually had several ups and downs in the 3-month chart, and price is always going down. As you can see, 57 right here, going all the way up to the 87, going all the way down to the 63, and you can actually make a profits of those kind of I would say pumps and dumps that the people and the whales and billionaires are actually doing and controlling, and this is what I want to teach you on this channel. So just use the situation as it is, wait for the next dip. It's actually probably right here, and then when the next pump happens, then you take the profits. You don't need to buy SHIB when it's here or here, maybe right now, but I would say maybe even later, wait a little bit, because I think the dip is going to be much lower this time. But you can see the thing is, the support line, as you can see from these 3 dips and the next dip right here, is forming and definitely will go up long term. This is because of the burns and the marketing that they are doing, and as well as the more and more people actually joining the project. So there you go. This is how the things are right now. So don't get too upset with the price going up and down. Long term, we are winning. Thanks Shibarmy, but I'm leaving this up. One more thing and one more kind of hater, I would say. I have been here since March, and what started as an awesome community turned into utter shit show. Okay, there is really any quality posts anymore. He's talking more about the Reddit than the actual project, but okay, the opinions are different. But here's the thing, here's exactly the thing that I talked about. You see the 3-month trend, 3 candle model, and you can see that we are played like bots and whales. I mean, yeah, that's the truth. That's how the projects like this actually work like, and we will see ups and downs constantly, but the thing is, we need to buy when it's low, and you could make like if, for example, if you bought right here, you could sell right here, bought right here again, sell right here again, bought right. Of course, you don't know when the top is, but when you're satisfied with your gains, maybe even selling right here is not too bad. And then you just need to follow that roller coaster and make money. This is the thing. So you need to buy the token when it's low. So Webull trading is now in beta. One more thing, we will also cover the price analysis and price prediction, but let's cover the news first. Webull trading is now in beta. Things are looking up for SHIB. The beta is on Webull. To get into Webull, all I had to do was comment on it and it was granted. While Webull isn't like a typical platform, as they have the coins on their network the whole time, you can buy and sell without spending 2/3 of what you're spending on fees. So the fees, gas prices, are the only thing keeping SHIB down in my eyes, and I totally agree with it. That's the reason why the leash is right now $700 and started with the $2,400, and that's the bad thing. And I hope that SHIB team can actually work on it and make the fees actually a little bit lower and I would say understandable. So one more thing before we start with the price prediction. There's an August most traded crypto. You can see, even though the price is very low, of course, you can see the SHIB is doing pretty good. But the thing is, we actually have an announcement from the Satoshi Kusama, and this is the CEO of SHIB, and his word is very, I would say, liked to heard in this community, because he's the guy who makes the decisions. Sorry. And the thing is, SHIB NFTs, our 10,000 SHIB NFTs are almost ready for the consumption. The name has been chosen and it will reward the winner of a release of a unique set. We have a few extra rare and special NFTs from some unique moments in our journey this past year. I can't wait. And these are the things you should definitely check out the whole text, but these are the things where he's saying what is going to happen in the future of a Shiba Inu army. So this is a text posted on a National Dog Day, and definitely check out the whole article on his website. So regarding the price, this is currently, I would say, breaking point for the Shiba Inu token, because right now either we will start to go up or go down. You can see forming of a triangle right here, and if we zoom out to the 1-1 chart, you can see this line and this line forming like a sort of a triangle. And then when the triangle on cryptos are formed, you can see that this is when the explosion or the bigger dump happens. So this is what we actually want to see, but I'm pretty optimistic about how the chart looks like. So if we go to the 7-day chart, you can see that we actually had some huge sell-offs right here, and this is the dip. This is probably the lowest point this week, and you can see that we already started the forming of that new upward trend, and you can see the new support line is already demolished. Resistance line is around I would say 75, but I think we will be actually able to break that resistance line. We are currently at the 69 right here, but we are actually at the 71, and we will probably break that resistance line. So definitely the chart looks very bullish, and I'm looking forward to see what will actually happen to it in the future, because I hope that this forming of a triangle will actually result in the big price explosion. So even though I'm not your financial advisor, do your research yourself, but I would say this is a good time to buy Shiba Inu before the next pump comes up, and you should definitely be prepared for that. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.